With the rise of infection from cold and flu viruses, protecting your family is more crucial than ever. While there isn't just one product that will easily disinfect everything in your home, we've put together a list of the best disinfecting cleaners for everything from clothes to counters and athletic gear. We have separate disinfecting cleaners in 3 categories: best disinfectant sprays for homes, best UV sanitizers for the home, and best disinfecting wipes. We're going to start with best disinfectant sprays for homes. Lysol Disinfectant Spray. This disinfectant spray is suitable for use on everything from countertops to couches. This is an EPA-registered disinfectant that kills more than 99.9% of illness-causing bacteria in your home. In addition to killing viruses, Lysol disinfectant spray can also be used to eliminate odors and prevent the growth of mold and mildew. Purell Multi-Surface Disinfectant Spray. This is a powerful eco-friendly product that kills 99.99% of germs on surfaces with no harsh chemicals, and water rinse is not necessary. Don't be fooled by the green aspect. Compared to other leading brands, Purell Multi-Surface Disinfectant delivers the fastest overall disinfecting time, killing 22 organisms in just 30 seconds. Purify Pro Disinfectant Spray. This is a high-end multi-purpose hospital-class disinfectant. In as little as 60 seconds, an application of this product will eliminate odors and allergens, prevent mold and mildew growth, and destroy Salmonella, E. coli, norovirus, H1N1 flu, influenza, hepatitis, and more. In addition, Purify Pro Disinfectant Spray offers free expedited shipping on every order. For best UV sanitizers for the home, we selected following products. Ultraviolet Pocket Sterilizer Wand. This UVC germ-killing machine is a portable, lightweight clamshell device that can easily be used to sanitize mobile phones, TV remotes, keyboards, children's toys, pacifiers, and even cutting boards. To use, simply flip open the unit and press the on button for 5 seconds. Then shine the light within 1/4 inch of the surface. Disinfection takes just a few seconds. UPANG 120 volts Ultraviolet Baby Bottle Sterilizer. The UPANG Ultraviolet Baby Bottle Sterilizer contains dual UV lamps for chemical-free, waterless sterilization that effectively eliminates 99.9% of germs and bacteria. Because the unit uses waterless UV sterilization and a low-temperature drying method, you can sterilize almost anything inside: toys, teethers, TV remotes, toothbrushes, and even cell phones. Purebrush Antibacterial UV Toothbrush Sanitizer. If you leave your toothbrush in a cup in your bathroom, you're exposing the bristles to fecal matter every time you flush the toilet. The Purebrush Antibacterial UV Toothbrush Sterilizer holds 4 toothbrushes and eliminates 99.9% of yeast, mold, viruses, and bacteria that live on your toothbrush. Simply place your toothbrush inside unit, close the door, and let the ultraviolet lights dry and disinfect your toothbrush before putting it in your mouth. Let's finish with best disinfecting wipes. Lysol Disinfecting Wipes. These disinfecting wipes are perfect to keep in your kitchen and bathroom. 3 times stronger than paper towels, Lysol disinfecting wipes allow you to use less to clean more. To sanitize, simply apply a wipe and then allow the area to remain wet for 10 seconds. These wipes work great on countertops, faucet handles, refrigerator door handles, smartphones, TV remotes, and more. Purell Hand Sanitizing Wipes. This is by far our favorite brand of personal hand sanitizing wipes, which we use before every meal. These wet wipes kill 99.99% of illness-causing germs without harsh chemicals in a formula that is safe and gentle on the skin. Regular disinfection is the best way to keep colds, E. coli, salmonella, flu, and other infectious illnesses from spreading. Thus, it's a good idea to develop consistent cleaning habits using a combination of products listed in this guide. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more reviews and recommendations.